the member states, particularly the major powers, and their often competing objectives. Even a meaningful review of the agenda of the General Assembly to make it relevant for the modern times has not been possible. So too reforms aimed at improving the working methods of most of the UN bodies. While there is near unanimity that the UN needs reform, there is no agreement on what such reform measures should entail, as each member state looks at reform through the prism of its own national interest, most narrowly defined. No other organization has the convening power of the UN, nor does any other organization possess the universality, legitimacy, and credibility of the UN, which is critical for its role in norm setting and rule making, something which I had referred to earlier. From the perspective of a developing country such as India, any reform of the UN should lead to structures and processes that yield more equitable outcomes than earlier and at present, expand the policy space available to developing countries, and lead to more good governance and rule of law at the international level. Mustering the requisite political will among all or the majority of member states for effecting wide-ranging reform on a system-wide basis would be indeed a Herculean task. However, incremental reform measures for strengthening the organization and making it more effective are achievable and need to be pursued vigorously. Without doubt, the reform and expansion of the UN Security Council presents the most formidable of reform challenges to make it more contemporary, representative, and legitimate, without impairing the efficiency of decision-making by evolving a political consensus on expansion of both the permanent and non-permanent categories. The case for expansion of the Security Council and that for India to be included as a permanent member in an expanded council with all its attendant responsibilities are both compelling, though the road ahead is going to be long, steep, and arduous. Thank you very much for your attention. I shall be happy to answer questions.
Thank you, sir, for very informative session.